Tabletop Sculpture is again online, and we're getting to try some more complicated ornaments on our last piece. So you see, this is a triangular piece and this is a triangular tool. So let's start going like this, making triangular texture. But here I will turn it around and go with this triangle. I will go inside these pieces. So see what we have. We have a zigzag line. Wow. Yes, that's called wow. So let me fix it. Let me make it all around the triangle, so we will see that it is like a linear. It is a linear ornament that we can put around the piece, not on the surface, but around. And we will see, like right now, it's like teeth, triangular shapes. But when I press it in the middle, then the teeth go away and we see just what is left. That means the zigzag. So we have a zigzag ornament around from all sides. So what are we going to make here? I will use this round corner and make the round semicircles. No, wait a minute. From all these sides, from all three sides. Okay, but this is already something interesting, right? But I want to make it more interesting. So I have, well, can I put circles here? Yes, let's look how it looks like. Not so well, because you see, because these circles don't go well with this, or maybe it's because this is just too short. What I want to show again is to combine these circles with triangles, because here we have corners and the triangles fit perfectly into the corners, you see. And if I add some here and here and here and here and here, and put some triangles in between, then we're getting some kind of regular shape. Oh, you see, these triangles combined together. Let me enforce this combination. I will really connect them so that we're getting three triangles here. You see? So it looks like a flower. And if I put it, no, I will not do anything else. So you see, I've got cracks here. Well, they don't really bother me because I'm not about making perfect shapes like from plastic or metal. It will, after I fire it, it will be stone, and stones sometimes have cracks, so it will look very natural. So I have just another side to cover with some kind of ornament. What should I do? Let me take again let me go from the middle, yes, and go like this. No, we are going on the side. So I will go with the angle, with the triangle, and go inside. I already did it here. I'll do something more complicated now. I'm going around the side. Now I will make this what I made before. You see? No, it's not this. It's difficult to create something the same. I'm always doing something else. Okay. What is it? It did it well. Magic. The tool just got out of control and made something different that I didn't plan to make. No, well, what I wanted, so you see, and it's nice. I mean, I'm pretending that I'm not happy. I'm really happy because I've got some really interesting structure inside. But actually, I forgot. I remembered what I wanted to do. I wanted to make the same row as I did in the previous video around the sides. So you see, I put this triangle from the both sides, and then they form as if there is a hidden edge there, which I open up with these triangles. Here it's really close to the edge, but I will manage to make it. Well, you see, you can think of it as of some kind of mandalas. It's the same as redrawing mandalas. You have a limited number of tools, a limited number of rules, but an unlimited, infinite number of combinations. You see? And you're getting some beautiful but absolutely useless things that you can put at your table, at your desk, and look at them when you're too tired of making useful and meaningful things. Then you will just take a glance at something like this and understand that even meaningless things sometimes bring you calm and happiness, especially if you already have our happy cube. Thank you for your attention. That will be the end of the first section of Tabletop Sculpture with Alex Lelchuk. See you later.